Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to borrow money from Cash App without direct deposit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone or desktop. Log in using your credentials, then tap the banking icon at the bottom left of the screen to view your account balance. If you see a Borrow section here, that means the feature is available to you. Tap on it to see how much you can borrow and proceed. If you don't see the Borrow option, don't worry. You'll need to make sure your account is fully verified. To do that, tap your profile icon. On mobile, it's at the top right corner. Then go to Account and here tap on Personal Info and confirm your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN if you're in the US. Next, make sure your linked bank account is active and verified. If you don't have one linked yet, go to Linked Banks and connect your bank. If your bank declines a charge or shows an error, try a different payment method or contact your bank to lift any security holds. Linking a verified bank removes account limits and helps enable Cash App Borrow. Once verified, Cash App will display your borrowing limit, which can range from $20 up to $200 depending on eligibility. Choose your repayment plan, either weekly or monthly. After reviewing the terms, tap Confirm Borrowing to complete the transaction. The borrowed money will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. If, after confirming, the balance still doesn't appear, go to Support inside the app. Search for Borrow or contact Cash App support directly through chat or by calling during their available hours. Explain your issue and they'll help resolve it. And that's it. You've now successfully borrowed money from Cash App without needing direct deposit. So that is how you can borrow money from Cash App without direct deposit. So that's all for this video. Thanks.